forces out. We have play Misty for me. Best to begin. Go out go in second. Who supported then followed up by Jade Avenue. Next in line is Security Model with play Misty for me by Waralenga. Who supported in second. Security Model now racing in third. Go and go. Dash back in fourth. And in fifth is the favorite Jade Avenue. And that's still play Misty for me by Waralenga. Who supported in second. Jade Avenue now coming closer in third. Together with Go and go Security Model. We have Who supported takes the lead. Running by the release play Misty for me. Jade Avenue. Go and go Security Model. As they come down to the last of the day. Who supported Jade Avenue. Go and go play Misty for me is running by the rail. Who supported by Waralenga. Security Model is running by the rail. And on the answer is Jade Avenue. Security Model. Who supported Jade Avenue. Security Model by about 2 lengths. And finally Security Model. Who supported Jade Avenue. Go and go. And number 1 play